Hello, I'm Dr. Ramzi, a general dentist and the inventor of the Ramzi Extractor. Why I invented it? As a general dentist, I've bought and encountered countless extraction instruments, many of which I rarely use because they simply don't work in every case. This lack of consistency is frustrating. Extractions take longer than expected, and I frequently end up using 4 or 5 different instruments just to get the job done. I knew there had to be a better way. I needed one instrument that could handle every extraction consistently, efficiently, and without the stress. That need became my driving force, pushing me to design a more versatile all-in-one dental instrument. Talking about the Ramzi Extractor will spark curiosity, but experiencing it firsthand is the only way to truly understand its value. Once in your hand, you'll feel it not only responding seamlessly to your movements, but actually guiding you, almost like a GPS for extractions. It's simply amazing. Try it, and you'll never want to work without it. I promise you that. We'll meet again for another video soon.